Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Gems. I'm Nate, and today I'm going to be bringing you the top 5 cryptocurrencies you should have in your portfolio for 2022. I'm going to walk through each of these cryptocurrencies and show you where they're at right now, explain what it is, what the community is, and tell you a little bit about where I could see them going in the future. But I want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only and entertainment. So let's get into today's video. So here we are looking at the top 5 cryptocurrencies that you'll want in your portfolio for 2022. Make sure to watch this all the way through as we analyze through each of these 5 cryptocurrencies. And at the end, we have one that you would never even think of. So watch the video right to the end. And if you want to purchase any of these cryptocurrencies, check out the link below. There will be some links down there for you to be able to look to different places that you can look for these cryptocurrencies. So the first one I'm walking through is Ethereum, and Ethereum is the king of altcoins, and they're sitting at $2,935.26, up 1.3% today. Let's look through what Ethereum actually is. Ethereum is a community-run technology powering the cryptocurrency Ether or ETH and thousands of decentralized applications. But when you want to get started in Ethereum, you're going to need some tools. So you can run over to ethereum.org and check out what it's really about. We need a guide. You want to pick what wallet you want to be in. You want to figure out where you're going to get your ETH. Use decentralized applications. Start building. You could build your own decentralized applications if you want. What is Ethereum? Well, Ethereum is a technology that's home to digital money, global payments, and applications. It's all about smart contracts in Ethereum, and this is just really building on what the internet can do in crypto. You can build different global payments, different applications on Ethereum, and its community is so huge. Ethereum is also part of the Internet of Assets. It's not just for digital money. Anything you can own can be represented as a non-fungible token, as an NFT. Are you an artist? Are you a digital artist? You can build those on Ethereum and then sell them. Ethereum is one of those projects that you really want to get into. Let's look at the Ethereum community on Twitter. Twitter has 2.4 million followers for the Ethereum community. This community is so huge. Ethereum is not going away anytime soon. There are so many applications, different cryptocurrency projects that are built on the Ethereum blockchain. This is one that you're going to want to get into. Let's do an analysis of what Ethereum has done in just the past year. We can see what it's been doing over the last 30 days. It's kind of been on this downward trend, just like the rest of the market. So this is a great time to actually buy because the market is at a discount right now. And what has Ethereum done in the last year? Well, in the last year, 9.4% gain, which you might be like, that's not that great, but that's a lot better than a lot of stocks have been doing. In the last 30 days, they've lost 13%. So this is a great time to look at Ethereum. 71% of people are looking at Ethereum as a good thing right now. So make sure to do your own research. Let's look at the number 2 coin I'm really interested in here. And this is Solana. $97.94 is where it's currently sitting at. And over the last day, it is at minus 0.9%, so almost a full percentage loss on the day. So it's at rank 6 overall in market cap. So this is another pretty huge project. What is Solana all about? Powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Solana states that it really is the fastest blockchain out there. It says Solana is a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. What does scalable mean? Well, as an app grows, it needs to be able to go to scale. It needs to be able to go from serving only a few people to serving many, many, many people. And here we can see total transactions. That's right, 71 billion transactions right now. Validator nodes, 1,700 validator nodes. So this helps decentralize this network. And look at that cost. The cost of it is less than, what is that? Like a penny, 25 hundredths of a penny? You wouldn't even notice the transaction cost on it. And transactions per second at this moment is 540, but Solana says that they can reach up 65,000 transactions per second, which is crazy. Let's look at the Solana community. Solana community has, 1.6 million followers. That is amazing for a new project like Solana. By new, I mean like it's been around for a little bit. January 2018 is when this Twitter page was made. Solana has been around for, 4 years, but they've really started gaining traction in the last year. So Twitter is a really good place for you to go to see what's happening in the community, what's happening with the project. Let's look at Solana over the last year. It's gained 130%, so quite a bit more than what we saw in Ethereum. In the last 30 days, it's down 6.4%. Again, the markets are really low right now, and this is a great time to buy. Now, is Solana good or bad? We see 73% of people right now are saying Solana is a good buy, and 27% are saying, well, I'm not really sure. Let's move on to our next token. So far, we have Ethereum, we have Solana. Are you interested in these projects? Check out the links below to see where you can buy Solana or Ethereum. So here's another project you may have even heard of, and it's Terra Luna. So as I'm going through these projects, I'm getting like riskier and riskier. So Terra Luna is at $90.12. It's down 0.7% on the day. Let's see what Terra Luna is actually really about. So Terra Luna is programmable money for the internet. So the founder came in and said, Bitcoin doesn't transact fast. Ethereum doesn't really move much faster either. When you go from 7 transactions to 13 transactions, that's not really that fast. We need to find a way to make cryptocurrency transact quickly, and that's exactly what Terra Luna is doing. Spend, save, and stake like never before. Staking is really just putting your cryptocurrency in a locked safe almost and gaining percentages on that cryptocurrency. And a lot of these, you get a lot higher percentages than you would ever get from your traditional banking system. Here are some things about them. They're industry-leading decentralized stablecoin, vibrant smart contract platform, thriving cross-chain DeFi environment, and built on the Cosmos SDK and Tendermint consensus. There's documentaries you can see about Terra if you want to learn more about it. It has the original founder in that, and it's really a really great documentary to watch. And what does the Terra community look like? 430K followers on Twitter. This is another great place that you can go to find out what is Terra about. How much is it growing? I'd say I'm really bullish on Terra, and this project is just in its infancy, like a lot of cryptocurrency, but it's a great buy for 2022. What do we see Terra over the last year? 409% gains over the last year. Over the last 30 days, minus 7%. Again, these projects are on a discount. And what are people thinking about it? We have 82% of people are thinking, this is a buy, and 18% are like, I'm not really sure. Now, we're not really sure if those 18% are actual people that are voting, or maybe they're just some trolls in there. Maybe not. But Terra Luna is one of those tokens that you are going to want to look into. Make sure to do your own research. All right, and the fourth token we're looking at today is Polkadot. Polkadot is at $17.06. They're down 0.5% today, and their ranking in market cap is they are ranked number 10 overall. What is Polkadot really about though? Polkadot, parachains are live. The wait is over. Parachain launch is here. So what is Polkadot really about? Let's look at a couple of these things. So economic and transactional scalability. Polkadot provides unprecedented economic scalability by enabling a common set of validators to secure multiple blockchains. Polkadot provides transactional scalability by spreading transactions across multiple parallel blockchains. So Polkadot works alongside in tandem with other blockchains so that transaction speeds can go fast, they can go quickly, and they can be cheap. A lot of these coins are doing that. You got Solana wants to move faster. Terra Luna wants to move faster. Polkadot wants to move faster. The reason why we picked Ethereum is because of its size and how it's kind of a first mover. But the rest of these want to kind of almost overtake Ethereum or work in tandem with Ethereum. Let's look at the Polkadot community on Twitter. So Polkadot community on Twitter, we're seeing 1.2 million followers. Wow, they have a large, massive community. What does that mean? That usually means, for the most part, that if there's a large community, then this is a solid project. So when you're looking into projects, you're looking into what you want to buy for 2022, make sure there's a solid community back behind it. And Polkadot is one of those cryptocurrencies that definitely has a vibrant community behind it. Let's look at Polkadot and what it has done over the last year. So Polkadot back in April of 2021 was around $33. Well, you're getting it at a pretty deep discount rate now. In 1 year, it's lost 50%. And you might say, Nate, why are you even suggesting this? Well, Crypto Gems looks at this and says, you know what, this is on a discount. This is a solid project, and sometimes good projects might take a big hit. This is on a huge discount, 50% off right now. Go in, buy your polkadots, but make sure to do your own research. As we said before, this is not financial advice. Let's move on to our last project, and this one might be a surprise from Crypto Gems. Kava. Kava is up 8% in 1 day today at $5.59. What is Kava though? What is really Kava all about? One network, two chains. What does that even mean? Infinite ways to build. Kava is a lightning fast layer 1 blockchain featuring developer optimized co-chain architecture that combines two most used permissionless ecosystems. So they are combining Ethereum and Cosmos. So Cosmos, the single most interportability network, and Ethereum scalable. My goodness, even this graphic here makes me want to buy it, right? Co-chain architecture. The Kava network co-chain combines the flexibility and speed of Ethereum smart contract development with the interportability of Cosmos. So Ethereum helps them with the building blocks of the development of their chain, and Cosmos helps them with their speed and the single network, all powered by ultra-fast Tendermint consensus. That sounds familiar, right? Because Terra Luna is also using the Tendermint consensus engine. And what does the Kava community look like? As a newer project, Kava only has 162,000 followers. This is why this one is last on today's picks. It is last because it is one that has a smaller community and it is growing. It's only $5 right now. So this might be one that is just really could have some bigger gains than maybe in Ethereum. If this rises by $5, that is a 100% gain, which could be huge for you or me or whoever is involved, but know that the risk is a little bit higher here. The Kava network is really coming alongside the developers, and that is really what they're pushing. A $750 million on-chain developer incentive program that will onboard the most innovative builders to the Kava network. So Kava doesn't just want any builders. It doesn't want just any dApps. It wants people that are really going to build this network to greatness, not just any type of builders, but they're truly trying to incentivize builders to really build this network. I'm really bullish on Kava. And just to see, let's see what it was at in the past year. So over the past year, it's only at a 0.3% gain. Over the last 30 days, it's up 21%. Are people really bullish on Kava right now? So 84% of people are saying yes to Kava, and 16% are saying they're not really sure. I hope as you look at all these different coins that you can look at your portfolio and try to figure out which coins are best for you. These are the 5 picks that I've made for 2022. So make sure to do your own research and take a look at these projects. So in summary, these are the 5 top cryptocurrencies for 2022. My picks went from least risky to most risky. You have Ethereum, Solana, Terra Luna, Polkadot, and Kava. Make sure to check these out. Do your own research. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Leave a like. And if you like this content, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Gems for further content so we can help you along on your crypto journey. Thanks for stopping by. See you guys later.